Hey there. Can I talk to your inner critic for a moment? Thanks. Hey, how's it going? You taking it easy during the pandemic? Kind of taking your foot off the gas maybe a bit? No? You're still working just as hard as you always do? Even harder? Whoa. Hey, can I talk to your person again? Hey, listen. Even in times of crisis, our inner critic is still going full steam ahead. If you're comfortable with beating yourself up, then maybe you don't want to watch the rest of this video. But if you really want to change the way you do things, then I've got a workshop that I think will be very helpful for you. It's called Self-Acceptance, Taming the Inner Critic. No matter how successful we are, we all have this inner critic that often can be quite vicious, holds us back, creates endless self-doubt, damages relationships, reduces creativity, and let's face it, makes us miserable. So in this workshop, we're going to talk about how the inner critic works, where it comes from, and most importantly, how you can disarm it. We'll talk about some powerful skills that put you in charge, not the critic. This workshop is suitable for adults and teens, so go ahead and register and watch this online workshop together. It's never too early or too late to tame your inner critic. I hope to see you soon. May 7th,